Greetings, Turks and Caicos. This is your 3-day public weather forecast issued on Monday, the 13th of April, 2026. Taking a look at the general situation, a building high-pressure ridge across the islands will support breezy conditions, while a nearby upper-level trough may trigger a few showers mainly east of the Turks and Caicos Islands today. Special warnings. We need to look out for rip currents and rough surf. A high risk of dangerous, life-threatening rip currents and rough surf persists along all Atlantic exposed beaches and passages of the island chain. Beachgoers and swimmers are strongly advised to remain out of the water. Taking a look at today's forecast for all areas, partly sunny with a low chance of showers this afternoon. Mostly fair with a chance of isolated showers possible tonight. Winds are northeasterly at 15 to 25 knots, with gusts up to near gale strength this afternoon. Sea state is slight with waves of 3 to 5 feet in the Caicos Bank and moderate to rough with waves of 5 to 7 feet building up to 9 feet offshore in Atlantic waters. The daytime high temperature is expected to rise to 82 degrees Fahrenheit and the overnight low temperature 75 degrees Fahrenheit tonight. Sunset will be at 7:07 p.m. The next low tide is at 6:05 p.m. and the next high tide is at 12:15 a.m. tomorrow morning. For the extended forecast, breezy conditions and rough seas will persist through midweek, creating hazardous conditions for boating and along exposed beaches. Improvement is expected from Thursday into the weekend as winds gradually ease and seas begin to subside. Forecast for Tuesday, a low chance of isolated showers, partly cloudy with a high near 82 degrees Fahrenheit. Tuesday night, a low chance of isolated showers, partly cloudy with a low around 75 degrees Fahrenheit. Winds will be northeasterly at 15 to 25 knots. Sea state slight with waves of 3 to 5 feet in the Caicos Bank, moderate to rough with waves of 5 to 7 feet building up to 10 to 11 feet offshore in Atlantic waters. Forecast for Wednesday, a low chance of isolated showers, a mix of sun and clouds with a high near 84 degrees Fahrenheit. Wednesday night, isolated showers possible, partly cloudy with a low around 75 degrees Fahrenheit. Winds will be northeasterly at 15 to 25 knots and sea state slight with waves of 2 to 4 feet in the Caicos Bank and then moderate to rough with waves of 5 to 7 feet near shore building up to 10 feet offshore in Atlantic waters. And that is a look at your 3-day public weather forecast on Monday, April 13th, 2026 by the Turks and Caicos Islands National Weather Service. The next 3-day forecast will be on Wednesday.